Hi, friends. How are you today? So, for today's simple science experiment, what we're going to be making is rainbow walking water. So, what happens is um, between different cups of water, the water in one cup is going to go into the next, and it's going to end up making a rainbow. Are you excited? I am. Let's start. Okay, friends, so what we're first going to do is we're going to get 7 cups. I would say we want clear cups so you can see what happens. And then you're going to put them in a row, or you can put them in a circle, and you're going to end up filling the first cup, the third cup, the fifth cup, and the seventh cup. All right? So again, first, third, fifth, and seventh. And you want to fill it about 3/4 of the way. Pretty much the more water, the better. Just make sure there's some room at the top. That's probably the most important part. Next, we're going to get food coloring. We're going to need red, blue, and yellow. All right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to put 5 drops in the first cup. Okay, then you're going to put 5 drops of yellow in the third cup. You're going to put 5 drops of blue in the fifth cup. And then in the last cup, you're going to put 5 drops of red. Okay. Next, we're going to want to take 7 sheets of paper towel. I have the half size ones, but if you have full size, just cut them in half. With the paper towel, we're going to do some folding. You're first going to want to fold it in half long ways, and then in half again. And you're going to do this for all 7 pieces of paper towel. When you have them all folded, what I like to do is measure them. So I like to take 2 of the dry cups, and I like to see how long we're going to need. And then, so I would cut there. And you're going to do that for all of them. And it should end up, being big enough to fit in both of them without any extra hanging over. All right? Okay, so now that we have our paper towels, we're going to put it in the first cup, and then you're going to want to fold it over, and then you're going to keep doing that. And basically, we're going to be connecting them cup to cup. So now we sit and wait. You're going to start seeing water building at the bottom, and in a couple minutes, it'll be ending up being a whole rainbow. So after about 10 minutes or so, you'll see the colors actually transferring. So we have orange in between the red and the yellow, green in between the yellow and the blue, and purple in between the red and the blue. So now let's talk about how this science experiment actually works. What happens is the water moves up the paper towels through the process called capillary action. The paper towel itself is made from fibers, and the water is able to travel through all of the gaps in the fibers. That's what makes paper towels so absorbent, why they're able to pick up water really easily. The gaps in the paper towels act like capillary tubes, and they pull the water upwards. This is what helps water climb from a plant's roots to the leaves at the top of the plant or tree. So if you ever notice when you're watering a plant, you usually water at the bottom where the soil is. And the water travels up the plant just like the water is traveling through the paper towels here. The water is able to move upward against gravity because of the attraction forces between water and the fibers in the paper towel. Show me how you guys did with your experiments.